Hello everyone, good morning and good evening to all. Welcome to my channel SAP Rajiv. And आज का topic है what are different types of movement types in SAP Materials Management and what does they do and what is the use of these movement types in SAP So movement type, friends, actually क्या है? It is a 3-digit code. It is used to do the transfer of the material from one plant to another plant, or you can do the good receipt process. You can post the goods issue process, that is withdrawal of the material from the inventory stock, and also you can do the transfer posting from one plant to another plant, or transfer posting from one store location to another store location, and also during stock transfers using the stock transfers orders. So in this particular session, I have taken couple of movement types for your information. These movement types are very common one, जो काफी कुछ लोगों को हमारे इस YouTube चैनल में लोगों को पता भी होगा, जैसे 101, this is used to post the good receipt, and 102 is used to post the good receipt reversal. For example, 101 good receipt आपने पोस्ट किया, फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट्स से 10 kg ऑफ शुगर के लिए, एंड अगर वो एंट्री गलत है, यूजर ने मिस्टेकनली उसको पोस्ट कर दिया, देन व्हाट ही विल गोइंग टू डू, he will going to again go to Migo transaction. Let me just show you here in Migo transaction in this particular section, just a moment. And here the user will going to select cancellation, and the system will going to select the movement type as 102, right? So always हमेशा याद रखना है, जिस पर्टिकुलर मूवमेंट टाइप से आपका प्रोसेस कुछ भी पोस्ट हो रहा है, बस उसके अंदर आपको +1 करना है. जैसे आप +1 करेंगे तो वो उसका रिवर्सल हो जाएगा. ठीक है. सिमिलरली देयर इज अनदर मूवमेंट टाइप 301 that is used to transfer the material from plant to plant, and उसका रिवर्सल क्या हुआ 302. मैंने सारे रिवर्सल वाले को, मैंने मूवमेंट टाइप्स को आई हैव made them in red color so that they can be easily distinguishable for all of you. Similarly, there is another movement type 311 यानी 311. इस मूवमेंट टाइप का यूज होता है to transfer the material from store location to store location, and similarly जैसा कि मैंने कहा 311 में एक जोड़ दिया तो 312 हो गया, and the 312 movement type is used as a reversal. That is, for example, अगर if one of the user had transfer the material of, let's say, 17 kg of let's say sugar from one store location to another store location, and he had observed after some time that this transfer was actually wrong, it was done by mistake. So what he will going to do, he will going to go into the transfer posting scenario like this, transfer posting, and he will going to choose a different movement type 312. Let me just go to 312 and show you that what does this 312 says. So 312 को देखेंगे, and let me just make this window little bigger, and this is 312. अगर आप देखो यहाँ पे, मैं 311 के बारे में I was saying that transfer posting store location one step, right? And अगर ये mistakenly कुछ गलत क्वांटिटी पहुंच गया, ट्रांसफर हो गया store location के बीच में, तो 312 is the movement type with which you will going to do the reversal, that is 312. Okay. Similarly, 561 is a movement type is used to do the initial stock. अगर किसी कंपनी में नया SAP का implementation हो रहा है और वहां पर material master already बन गया है, but there are all the stocks are there which is kept in the inventory without any SAP, right? Without any SAP project. SAP project तो अभी implement हुआ है, but how we will going to upload that non-SAP stock into our SAP system? So that is done with the help of 561. But if maybe one of the consultant or maybe the business core users have done the upload mistakenly with this movement type 561, then what they will do, they will again going to do the reversal of the initial entry stock with the movement type 562. Similarly, there is one more movement type 321. It is used to transfer the material from quality inspection stock to our unrestricted stock. जैसी क्वालिटी की इंस्पेक्शन हो गया, उसके बाद जैसी लॉट को यूसेज डिसीजन देने के बाद वो पास कर देते हैं दैट दिस लॉट इज ओके, तो उसके बाद क्या होगा, the material will be moved from quality inspection to our unrestricted stock so that we can utilize for our production purpose. But in this case, if there is some unknowingly mistake is there, then in such a situation, we will be using 322, that is the reversal of the movement from quality inspection to unrestricted stock. इस सिचुएशन में क्या होगा, जो भी मटेरियल क्वालिटी इंस्पेक्शन से पास होकर अनरेस्ट्रिक्टेड में गया है वो वापस अपने क्वालिटी इंस्पेक्शन में आ जाएगा, so that they can do some further usage decision to pass the lot or not to pass the lot. Okay friends, thank you very much for your time and attention. अगले वीडियो में हम लोग मिलेंगे with a different topic. I would like to request my dear friends to please subscribe and like and share my channel, and let me know what best thing you like in this particular today's session of movement types in SAP MM, and let me know if you need any improvements in my sessions. Then I will definitely going to consider your comments and will act accordingly to make this session much more better so that you can have complete benefit with the help of these sessions. So you would like to again request everyone to please like and subscribe. All the SAP MM topics are there in this channel. You can just go through one by one, starting from enterprise structure to master data, purchasing documents, inventory management, approval process for purchasing orders, and other different types of purchase documents, their document type configuration. Each and everything is there in this particular channel, SAP MM Rajiv. Thank you very much everyone for your time and attention. We'll meet soon. Thank you.